Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. We always like to have something sweet whenever we take some spicy food. Most of the time the chapatis we have will accompany with some spicy curry. So whenever you prepare chapati dough, you can always give a try for the sweet version too. So let us prepare a soft chapati dough. For the dough we need 2 cups of whole wheat flour. To this add the required amount of salt and add enough water to make a soft dough. For a perfect soft dough, the ratio of the flour and the water is 2:1. That is, for 2 cups of flour, you need 1 cup of water. Knead this well. The next important time the dough need is the resting time. This has to rest at least half an hour to 1 hour. The dough is ready. Knead this again and take a bowl out of it. Now spread this. It should not be so thin. This is fine. Now we are going to stuff this with some grated coconut, jaggery powder or any other sweetener, a pinch of cardamom powder. Now seal this properly. Add few drops of oil on the top and spread this with your hands. Press this as thin as possible. This is ready. Now let us cook this on a hot tawa. Spread some oil or ghee. Turn both sides and cook properly. This is ready now. We can take it out. So our sweet chapati is ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.